Okay, so this wall is super special to us because when the fire started in Granby, it was many, many miles away, and the family and I were here at the house. And my mom called me and said, take all the photos, get what you can, bring what you can. And we were like, well, we just don't really think it's going to happen to us. We don't think we're going to lose the house. But I'll take what we can't replace. And this is that what we can't replace is the original photos of my dad and my mom in the early 70s building the original cabin. And there's my grandparents are in there and they're hand stripping the logs. And my mom, as an architect major, drew this of the original house. And these pictures are irreplaceable. So if I ever had to tell anybody, if you need to evacuate from a fire, grab as many pictures as you can, because those you can never get back. And then we also have this picture, which is of our wee house. So we had a little hand-built playhouse that the kids would play in, and I grew up playing in, Brooke grew up playing in, but we don't have it anymore, obviously. But the wee house is, this is a picture of the wee house that we always will remember fondly of everything that.
Sounds like something you could maybe build someday, Brooke.
Yeah. Okay, now.
And then Brookie, after the fire, we came up and went through the ashes. So we put on our dirtiest clothes and went through the ashes. And Brooke and William.
Well, I don't have a mic.
Brooke and you don't.
I don't have a mic.
Oh, okay.
Let's pause and put.
Yeah.